Welcome to Neurology News Network. I'm Matt Hoffman. Let's get into the news from this week. The Alzheimer Association convened a multidisciplinary work group to develop and publish new appropriate use criteria guiding the safe use of lumbar puncture and spinal fluid analysis for Alzheimer's disease pathology detection in the diagnostic process. The group finalized 14 indications, rating 6 appropriate and 8 inappropriate. The criteria were developed to aid healthcare practitioners on appropriate and inappropriate use of lumbar puncture to optimize patient safety and care. While developing the criteria, the work group evaluated appropriateness of a wide range of clinical indications based on review of current evidence, experience of members with cerebrospinal fluid testing, and ethical standards of patient care. These efforts complement the recently published criteria for amyloid PET and CSF recommendations. Treatment with Patisiran maintained improvements in modified neuropathy impairment score with rapid halting of neurologic disease progression for patients with hATTR amyloidosis, according to the findings from a global open-label extension study at the 2018 AANEM annual meeting. In the Apollo study, which led to the FDA approval of Patisiran for hATTR amyloidosis in August 2018, the least mean square change in MNIS+7 from baseline for those treated with Patisiran was -6.0 plus or minus 1.7 versus 28.0 plus or minus 2.6 with placebo. Following 52 weeks of treatment with Patisiran in the extension study, patients originally treated with the RNA inhibitor had sustained improvements in neuropathy, and those initially receiving placebo experienced a rapid halting disease progression. At the 34th Congress of ECTRIMS, Neurology Live sat down with Dr. Fernando Dangond, the head of clinical development in neurology at EMD Serono, to discuss the big news from the conference, Evobrutinib. The highly specific oral BTK inhibitor is the first of its kind to show clinical proof of concept in relapsing MS. Thus far, the treatment has also proven well tolerated. Dr. Dangond shared his thoughts. Let's take a look.
I think they're going to be very excited because this is an oral treatment and it's the first in class to show that it works in MS. And this kind of drugs, this class of drugs is being investigated in several autoimmune diseases. So MS being an autoimmune disease, this is the first demonstration that this class of drugs actually works in autoimmune diseases. So it's very exciting. It has a mechanism of action that targets macrophages and also B cells, which have been implicated in MS pathogenesis.
For more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.